Eclipse Automation creates complex, custom automated systems that build some of the world's best products. For over 2 decades, our teams have designed, engineered, fabricated, and serviced quality solutions across diverse industries on multiple continents. 2 decades of getting it right. Of taking the hard jobs. Of solving the tough challenges. Of proving our worth with each new and increasingly complex project. Eclipse has established itself as an innovator, applying best practices and depth of experience in manufacturing to a variety of industries for over 2 decades. Now, we are proud to mark a milestone with the grand opening of the Eclipse Nuclear Division in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. This is the beginning of a compelling new operation for our nuclear customers, led by a select group of highly specialized engineers and project managers with decades of experience in the nuclear sector. This expertise is combined with the Eclipse global team of more than 700 mechanical and controls system designers and electrical, mechanical, and manufacturing technicians who can be drawn upon to take on some of the industry's largest and most complex challenges. Now, let us introduce you to some of the core nuclear industry experts in our skunkworks in their own words.
Success is executing what customer needs in the time they need and in the budget they need. And if we take care of that, that's a success. For me personally, it goes slightly beyond that, and to suggest the customer what they are looking for or what they are asking for can be done better.
Customer satisfaction, at the end of the day, we should all strive, and there's no reason why we couldn't achieve complete customer satisfaction.
Success looks like having a project go well, financially, as well as the project overall, the machine working top notch.
In Ontario, we are leading the world. We are the best in terms of nuclear power here in Ontario, and we want to make it better.
Eclipse is a nimble organization, always looking at what's coming next and applying our expertise from various areas to ensure that we give innovative solutions to our customer, always trying to push the envelope of what is achievable. And the SNAC program isn't that bad either.
Completely vertically integrated company. It's privately owned. It's just very agile and responds easily to new work.
There's no failure in this business. Either you succeed or you learn. You learn and make things better for the next time, and you succeed.
We embrace the skunkworks culture and really try to push the envelope of what's achievable. Sometimes that doesn't quite work out the way you expect, and you take those lessons and you apply them to the next iteration to make sure that it's successful.
What you see behind me, the robots being used for refurbishment business, never done before. This is the cutting-edge technology that being implemented here.
Innovation usually results from combining sort of diverse and unrelated concepts and finding novel new uses for that. Because Eclipse is in so many different industries and the employees here have such a diverse set of skill sets and trades and professions, it's really an ideal breeding ground to sort of germinate ideas and have them flourish.
We don't believe in silos, and we bring in the people that are best suited for the job at hand. Those people bring their expertise, whether it's from nuclear, whether it's automation, control systems, integration, manufacturing, whatever, and we apply that to give our customers an end-to-end vertically integrated solution.
People here have a refusal to accept the status quo. We're always trying to improve and make things better, and no idea is off the table.
Everybody brings together their information, their background, their experience and everyone kind of chives together very nicely to put together the best possible product.
The culture here is one that sort of encourages bold ideas as opposed to stifling them or, taking the safe paths. So that's one of the things that I think really allows us to innovate here at Eclipse, that really differentiates us from most other similar types of organizations.
Eclipse has the ability to quickly change the course and still deliver the results in time. So it's everything in-house. We make everything in-house. The tools are made in-house, and we have great talent, multinational company, and a lot of support all around. So it's just the beginning.
Our method at the Eclipse Nuclear Skunk Works is all about process first, then design. It's also about challenging the solution silos. This group is all about being a positive change agent to deliver the best outcome for our customers. Collaboration is not just a buzzword here. Known for our entrepreneurial culture and empowered teams, we pull in the best and brightest for every project. Leveraging our experience in other sectors, Eclipse is disrupting the traditional thinking in nuclear projects by implementing proven commercially available robotics and other technologies to reduce time, cost, and risk of system development. We are always passionate about meeting schedule and cost commitments. Eclipse applies cutting-edge automation in nuclear refurbishment technology. Eclipse Automation. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com.